What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. We have a big opening today. This, I just got in. I just made a video of this a couple of days. It just came out of the Pokemon Center, I think 3 or 4 days ago. I got in early. I'm surprised, honestly. They said it was supposed to be well, I guess they said Tuesday. It is Tuesday. All right. Well, no, it's Monday. I got it like a day early. All right. This is going to be the Pokemon coin, the World Championship Pokemon coin. You do have to go onto the Pokemon Center and order $50 worth of stuff. And it's kind of hard to get because, like I said, I wanted to get like 1 or 2 of them, and I've only gotten this one. They won't let me buy another one. When I check out, they won't let me buy another one at all. I don't know what's going on, but you can only buy one. So if I was y'all, I would pick this up as soon as possible. This thing is going to be worth some money, possibly. I mean, it's nice to just have in your collection. Like I said, I want to see it. Oh my goodness. But like I said, you do have to. Oh, look, there it is. There it is. Let's go. You do have to spend $50 worth of stuff. This is not it right here. We're first going to go through what I bought, and then I will show y'all with the coin. Oh, that's crazy. So I did buy, if y'all didn't see the video, I did buy a 3-pack of Brilliant Stars. I bought 3, wait, what? I bought 3 Astro Radiants. I bought 3-pack blisters of Brilliant Stars, and I should have bought another one. Oh, here it is. It's in the bottom. All right, yeah, I got another one. This is what I've been buying a lot, is a lot of the Astro Radiants. All right, let's bring the coin out. Yo. Yo, this coin looks crazy. I'm gonna keep it sealed up. I'm gonna see if I can flip it around, maybe. I don't even want to do that. Yo, this thing looks nice. Oh my goodness. Go and pick this up right now in the Pokemon Center. It is available. Make sure y'all go and pick it up. Oh my goodness. Yo, this thing looks nice. Yo, this looks crazy. Like I said, you have to spend $50. That's the only downside, but there is a lot of stuff on the Pokemon Center. You can't buy any pre-orders or anything like that either. Make sure y'all use on, okay, watch my last video. I'll put it down in the description. It's literally explaining how to go and buy it. It's not that hard at all, but you do have to spend $50. That's the only downside to it. But yo, I got the coin. This coin looks nice. Oh my goodness. This thing's kind of heavy too. Y'all see, it's a little heavy. Yo, this thing's so cool though. Oh my goodness. This coin is nice. I would definitely suggest y'all to pick one up. Like I said, I did have to spend $50. I did get these. Not too bad, honestly. I kind of wanted to pick some more of these. I was going to buy this anyways because this is more, I've been wanting to buy more Sword and Shield. And I like sleeve blister packs. I've really gotten to buy more sleeve blister packs. I will make a whole video of that down the line or whatever like that. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all go and pick your coin up. You do have to spend $50, but this coin is actually worth it. I think this coin's selling for a little bit, around there too. So it's kind of worth the value, so you're pretty much getting it for free. And it has to do with the Worlds 2024. Come on now. Look, you got that Honolulu 2024. This thing is so nice. Make sure y'all go pick it up. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Make sure y'all go pick this up as soon as possible. Let's go.